All right, Chandler, thanks for that update. Well, Morris College in Sumter is hosting its first health fair this Thursday from 9 until noon, offering free flu shots, HIV and sickle cell testing, Zumba classes, and more than a dozen community vendors.
Yeah, joining us this morning are Dr. Crystal Piper, and she's one of the organizers, and Suzette McClellan with the State Department of Public Health. Thank you both for being here with us this morning.
Thank you for having us.
All right, talk about the event. It's the first of its kind at Morris College. Talk about your excitement and just what people can expect.
Yes, absolutely. So the health fair is this Friday from 9 to 12 at the campus of Morris College, and we are really excited to be hosting this event for Morris College students, faculty, and staff. So under our current president, Morris College President, President Sewell, the goal has been to elevate Morris. And so this is one of those opportunities to elevate Morris, to bring to our students, faculty, and staff, and the Sumter community the opportunity to have vital health screenings, health resources, and be introduced to many of the health organizations in the community.
And talk about some of those specific screenings and testings that are going to take place and why they're so important to offer for our community.
Well, one of the things that we try to do is make sure that we have the healthiest people we can in the state of South Carolina. And so with that, we are offering flu shots to individuals. You know, it's flu season, and this is an opportunity to make sure that we're protecting our community, as well as we have partners that are offering HIV screening, as well as sickle cell screening. And we know that sickle cell is one of those diseases within the African American community. And so this is an opportunity on the campus to bring individuals from the community to get that testing, as well as the HIV testing that Tandem Health will be doing on that day. So we're excited about that.
And then go a little bit more. What is the state seeing when we talk about, you know, some of these screenings that you're going to be doing on Friday? Talk about what the state is seeing numbers-wise.
In terms of numbers, we've seen some increases within HIV. In the past couple of years, there has not been as much discussion about it, but we have seen some increases in numbers of not only HIV, but also sexually transmitted infections. And in terms of flu, of course, always we want to make sure that everybody is protected during flu season. And sickle cell is one of those things. I don't know the exact numbers for sickle cell, but we do know it's something that impacts the African American community greatly.
Absolutely. This is all, you know, in a partnership when it comes to putting this fair together. So just talk about some of the partnerships involved.
Yes, absolutely. So just to give a little bit background information, I'm actually new to Morris College. I'm new health science faculty, just arrived in August, started planning this event in September. And so under our division chair, Dr. Leach, he introduced me to Ms. McClellan and all of her resources at the South Carolina Department of Public Health. She provided those resources. Those organizations immediately responded. They were excited to be involved in the health fair. And then I was also introduced to Ms. Quanda Sims at Morris College. She's one of the wellness deans, and everyone is excited. And so some of those organizations, Carolina Blue Wave Swim Club, Tandem Health, just to name a few, Aetna, Healthy Blue, Premier Journey Transportation. We have several services, organizations, and I don't want to list too many because I don't hate to leave anyone off. But my experience is that I have over 20 years of collegiate experience in other institutions where I've put together these health fair events. So it was great to really bring this type of excitement to Morris College.
And then you're going to be having Zumba out there, also fitness events. Talk about, you know, Zumba. That gets the body up and moving.
Absolutely. So the theme for this health fair is healthy lifestyles and diabetes awareness. So we are recognizing diabetes this month nationally in November. And so Zumba is going to be fun, it's going to be energetic, it's going to get people engaged. And of course, while doing that fun, excitement activity, they'll remember this is a healthy behavior. This is something I can adopt in my lifestyle. And so that's important for our participants. Yes.
Suzette, what do you hope the community is able to get out of this health fair, participating and just learning what resources are available?
Again, education, awareness, understanding what resources are available in Sumter County to them, but also an opportunity to come to the campus to learn about Morris College and what Morris College has to offer. This is an opportunity in partnering with Morris College, and they have a health science program that Dr. Piper is a part of. They're helping to train the next generation of public health professionals. So again, they'll have an opportunity to interact. The students will have an opportunity to interact with professionals within the health field. So it's a win-win for everyone all around, and particularly for the community that surrounds Morris College. So they'll have the opportunity to come to the campus and get services that they need and information that they need.
All right, we got about 10 seconds. Give us the details on what we should know, where it's going to be, how we can get in contact with you really quickly here.
Yes, so it will be at Morris College in the gym, and you can reach me at cpipermorris.edu. So that's my email address. Again, we have those health services. We have 3 mobile units. We have 11 students doing student health research presentations that we're really excited about also, and over 20 organizations in the Sumter area.
And just to kind of go off what you were saying, it's Friday.
It's
right?
Friday.
Okay, so that's our apologies on the full screen there. But again, that's happening Friday. The information was there on your screen. It's also going to be available on our website. Go there, wistv.com. Thank you, ladies, for coming and sharing this event with us. Hopefully, a lot of people are going to show up and take advantage of it.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for your time.
All right, stay with us. We got more Sunrise coming up after this.